So I'm here in Hall 14 on the seller's stand, and I'm just introducing Charlie Armitage, who's the Managing Director. It's hump day now, we're halfway through the show. How's it been so far for you?
It's been good. We've had a good steady flow, even very similar on all 3 days so far. And you know, we don't want to be too busy because you can miss people. So you know, the actual flow of people on has been nice, been constant. You know, we've enjoyed it, and it's a great city to hold it as well. You know,
absolutely, I
wonderful.
Totally agree.
Eating far too much.
Yes, indeed. So everybody's here to see something new. Mm-hmm. Do you mind showing us what innovations and product sellers have got to offer?
Absolutely,
okay.
Yes. So this is one of our latest developments on shearing. It's what we call the hybrid shearing cylinder. You have two types of standard cylinders. One of them has a corked in spiral, one of them has what we call a strap-on spiral. Strap-on spirals, sharper angle. Corked in spirals, not quite a sharp angle, but a lot more rigidity because of that corking holding it in. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to combine those two features, and this is what we came up with. That now we have the sharper angle spiral that's sitting in a groove that gives it that rigidity and that stability if you hit seams, you hit any foreign objects. We've had good success with it, and it's fully replaceable on existing shearing machines. So this wouldn't necessarily have to buy a new shearing machine to have this cylinder. We can retrofit to all our existing equipment around the world. Very excited about it, and it's producing some wonderful results. We just recently put one on in the United States in the last 2 weeks, and the test piece of carpet was for the US Congress from one of the prestigious manufacturers in the United States. So, you know, if it can shear carpet of that quality, then it can shear anything. This, our main exhibit on the stand, is the new Seller's applicator. This initially we made for tile, but we're actually going to offer it to a wide range of textile applications. What it is, it's a combination applicator. It has 3 ways of coating, which is a knife over a table, a knife over a roller, and then a knife over air. So depending on the product, you would determine which is the way to do that, but all within one unit. So also what it has here on the touchscreen features, you can actually adjust your pressure up and down depending on how much pressure you want to on the laminating aspect of it. Everything on here is driven by servo motors. It's state of the art, but built with the usual strengths of the Seller's quality engineering.
Charlie, I really appreciate the tour around the stand. Some great innovations there, and it's really good to see the carpet sector doing so strongly. Thank you for your time during an extremely busy show. Always great to feature our members.
Yeah, well, it's we're a very proud British manufacturer, all still made in-house in West Yorkshire, and long may that remain.
That's great to hear. Okay, thank you.